Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome back again, my dear students, grade 4. In the last reading lesson, we spoke about the school clubs, and I told you about the different kinds of school clubs we had, like swimming club and cooker club and other clubs. And I told you that Candy sent an email to Anna to tell her about the cooker club, and after that Anna sent another email to Candy to tell her about the computer club and what they learned in the computer club. Pete sent an email to Sammy to tell him about the swimming club, and after that Sammy sent an email back to Pete to tell him about the creative writing club. Now I want to tell you that today's lesson is reading comprehension and vocabulary. Now we will start with the reading comprehension. In page 24, please open your pupils book and let's start the first question, which is name the person. After you have read the last reading lesson in page 22-23, let's answer these reading comprehension questions. The first question: who went to cooker club today? Who? What do you think? Yes, Candy. Who helps at cooker club? I need only the name. Yes, who helps? Mrs. Hal. Excellent. Who can come to cooker club next week? Yes, Anna. Who did a good animation of a fish? It's Daniel. Excellent. Who swam very fast? Yes, Pete. Excellent. Who was really pleased? Yes, the coach. Excellent. Who looks like a fish? Pete. Very good. Who competed against Sam and lost? He was in the last paragraph. Yes, Abdullah. Who was nervous? Yes, Sam. Excellent. Who bought a gifts? Yes, Sam's parents. Excellent. Excellent, my dear student. Now, after you answered the reading comprehension questions, let's move to the second part of our lesson today, which is vocabulary. In page 24, there are some pictures and some words like seaweed, bubbles, snail, gift. Let's move on again to the second part of our lesson today and looking at these pictures. Let's read these words: seaweed, gift, computer, bubbles, and snail. We need to match each word with the suitable picture. If you can look at here, something like a case, it's an animal, a fish, making something in here. Of course, it's a computer, and something like a plant. Look with me. We can see some words and its definitions with picture. Let's focus with me. Seaweed, a plant that grows in the sea, like can you see in here? It's some plants can be found in the sea. A gift or a present. In your birthday, of course, your friends, your parents give you a gift, okay? Bubbles, circles of water made of gas. When you're playing, you can make bubbles of water, like the fish is making bubbles. Last one, A snail is an animal with a soft body and a shell on its back. So it's a shell, and that is the snail. Has a very soft body. That is the snail. So we have seaweed, gift, bubbles, and snail. Let's answer the question. The first picture is, yes, it's a gift. Excellent. The second picture is, it's an animal which is soft. Yes, it's a snail. Excellent. The third picture is, the fish is making bubbles. Excellent. It's a, very easy, computer. The last one, plants under the sea. It's, yes, seaweed. Excellent. Excellent, my dear students. It's your turn to write them. Now, write them down. By the end of this page, we can see some new words. Can you repeat after me? Club, coach, recipe, referee, captain, ingredients, and team. Again, club, coach, recipe, referee, captain, ingredients, and team. And these are some questions. For each word there is a question. Can you look with me? Can you read this word? It's a club. Excellent. A group of people who meet or share the same thing. So the swimming club, some people are swimming. In the creative writing club, some people are writing stories. In the cookery club, some girls are cooking, and so on. Coach, he teaches people to improve their skills. So if you can look in here, we can find the coach telling the players what to do. So the coach is the leader. Is a set of instructions for making something. If you want to make something, so you need to have some notes to tell you what to do. These notes are recipes. If you want to make a food, something like this soup or something, so you need the guidelines that tell you how to make the soup. So these are the recipes or the lines that tell you how to make the food. So the meaning of recipe are some guiding lines to tell you what to do. Referee is the judge of the play in a game and sport. If you can see in each football match, you can see a referee, or any other match. Captain is the head man or the leader. So what is the difference between captain and coach? That the coach is out of the playground, but the captain in the playground itself. Okay, if you can look at the captain, so he is a player, but he is the head man or the leader of the team in the match, in the game field. Okay, ingredients are some, if you want to make food, you have to get some kinds of things to make that food. For example, if you want to make a cake, so you need eggs, you need butter, you need flour, and such things. So these things we call ingredients. So if you want to make pizza, you make sure you have the ingredients of pizza. If you want to make pasta, so you make sure that you have the ingredients of pasta, and so on, so forth. Team, what can you see in here? A group of people who work together to set goals. So it's maybe a baseball team, football team, or teamwork in class, and that is the meaning of a team. That was it. Now let's write the correct word. Let's read together. The instructions for making food. Yes. The instructions, the lines. Yes. Recipe. Excellent. The things you need to mix when you make a recipe. Of course, we mix ingredients together. A group of people playing a game together. Group of people. Yes. Team. Excellent. A group of people doing something together. Yes. Club. Excellent. The leader of a team, the leader, captain, keeps the rules of the game. Who, if the player did something wrong, so he is the referee. Excellent. He helps people in sport. The man who gives the instructions, he is the coach. Excellent. Now you write your answers. Now let's practice these words. Answer with me. A group of people who work together to set goals. Yes. Excellent. Team. Correct. All the food and spices that you use to make a certain kind of food. Yes. Remember the pizza ingredients. Correct. A group of people who meet to share the same things. Of course, club. Correct. A set of instructions for making something. Yes, the lines we use. Recipe. Excellent. Headman or a leader. In the field, he is captain. Excellent. A judge of the play in games and sports. Yes. Referee. Very good. He teach people to improve their skills. Yes, he is the coach. Excellent. Now, my dear students, and by the end of our class, I need you to know that it's our evaluation time. Please put each word of the following words in a meaningful sentence. The words are bubbles, seaweed, ingredients, club, and team. These words you have to put it in a meaningful sentence, and you do it as your homework. Don't forget that. Remember with me what we have studied so far. We studied some reading comprehension and some new vocabularies like gift, snail, bubbles, computer, and seaweed. And also we studied some new vocabularies by the end of page 24. Club, coach, recipe, referee, captain, ingredients, and team. Don't forget to study your lesson, and it's time to say goodbye. Thank you and have a good day.